Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco F7 Pro. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just a short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can send it directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap on the preview, by the way, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. The second way to have a screenshot is by just scrolling down right next to the camera. Then you hear the control center and the part of the control center, see the scissor icon. Just tap on it and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. Just swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. You're ready to find the screenshots after. Of course, you have the gallery and you have the photos. They're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots will have their own folder here only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.